Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your HP laptop actually includes an NFC module and is up to date. Check BIOS and Windows Update. Once done, enable wireless radios because NFC often shares stacks with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Drivers must match. Install HP Support Assistant and the manufacturer's network drivers so the OS exposes the NFC interface. Now that prerequisites are active, move directly to device settings. Don't reboot yet. Just keep the laptop unlocked and on the desktop. You now enable NFC in Windows settings or the HP utility. This exposes the radio to apps. Once enabled, place the NFC tag or phone against the laptop's NFC sensing zone, typically near the keyboard deck, so the antenna can read it. When Windows detects hardware, accept any pairing or security prompts. You may need to grant contact or file access. Make sure to confirm the device name and trust it for future automatic connections, because that reduces repeated prompts and speeds use. You finish by testing NFC with a dedicated app. Read a tag, write a small record, or trigger the intended action to confirm everything works. Once successful, automate the task if supported so a single tap performs the action. Save that profile in the app. If things go wrong, check drivers first, rerun HP diagnostics, and consider a BIOS update or driver rollback. Often driver mismatch causes detection failures. If hardware seems dead, contact HP support for module replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.